Hi, I'm Emiko Kawahara from Inakasoba Kawahara restaurant. Today, I'll make honey lemon. Prepare a jar for 2 lemons. Slice a lemon. We'll use the edges later, so don't throw them away. First, put 3 slices one by one to the jar. Put some honey on it. I put honey between the slices, not on the top lastly. Repeat putting 3 slices and honey. Putting honey between the lemon slices makes it mix well. It's better to add honey frequently to cover the whole lemon. Putting honey only on the top lastly is not good. Then slice one more lemon and add it to the jar in the same way. Please take off the seeds, which are bitter. If you make it carefully, the taste becomes better. Put enough honey on top to fill. Cover it with plastic wrap. And it's time to use the edges of lemon we put aside. Make sure there's no space between the plastic wrap and the lemons. If you leave the air in the jar, it makes the lemon rotten before you can eat it. So put the edge on top like a lid to press and shut out the air. And close the lid. Then the honey comes up and the lemon never gets bad. This is a very important point. The honey between every 3 slices of lemon goes up to the 8th or 9th steps to the top because of the pressure. The edge presses the slices. This is an important tip I learned from my experience. If you have cooked for many years, you would get to know what is the best way. If you put the honey all at once, there's no honey between the slices, so the juice doesn't come out. For a couple of years, it hasn't rained a lot, so Japanese honey hasn't been produced enough to sell. So I used this non-Japanese one today. As you can see, Japanese honey is crystallized like this. When you make sugared lemon, the procedure is the same as the honeyed lemon. Put some sugar between the sliced lemon. To plus the juice, sugar is needed. Sugar every 3 slices of lemon. I recommend honey more than sugar. Honey is more nutritious. If you don't have honey, lemons are still very healthy. So make it with sugar and use it for cocktails or bread. Fill the jar with sugar to the top. Cover it with plastic wrap and put the edge of lemon on it. Press it hard. Only with sugar, you can't press the lemon down enough. So use the edge of the lemon to press firmly. Alright, honeyed lemon is completed. Let's see the difference from the one made 1 week ago and the one made just now. This was made 1 week ago. The edge presses like this. The honey is up to the top. The slices in the middle are honeyed better. Look at this. It's soft. This just made one is sticky. The lemon is not soft. This is a proof that it's not quite ready. The lemon will be softened in a couple of days. This is soft enough, but the other one is not ready yet. You can preserve it even for 1 year. If you keep it in the fridge with the same temperature, you might have it even over 1 year. But you need to sterilize the jar with boiling water and keep the lemon away from various germs. Please don't take the jar out of the fridge and put it back frequently. If you take it out, put it back soon. You can sterilize the jar with the water at 80 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. I'll try one slice of the 1-week-old lemon. Good. I can smell the lemon slightly. Honey soaked well. I think this will get better from now. One slice every day makes you healthier. This is very good. Please try to make and eat it. So delicious. I feel like I'm overflowing with sweet lemon juice. Inakasoba Kawahara in Mannou Town, Kagawa Prefecture. Thank you for visiting our site. Our shop has been loved by local people for over 12 years. Homemade soba, lunch, pickles, and so on. We use local ingredients and also run a B&B. Please come visit us. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye!